Morning to one and all, this is Nikita Dubey by your side expressing my views on the topic compulsion of recycling. I would like to begin by quoting two lines by my personal inspiration, Greta Thunberg. She said, "We live in a strange world where children must sacrifice their own education in order to protest against the destruction of their future." It is indeed a strange world we live in. Earth has been through a lot of exciting phases. However, now, as it is way past its peak, it is dying a slow death. A death which is inevitable. It is losing its luster because of depletion of natural resources and energy, which in turn is giving stupendous rise to pollution. We cannot accept Earth to keep up with our ever-increasing demands. If we want to save it for our future generations, then we must find an alternative to save the natural resources from depleting. Recycling is the major solution to this problem. Sometimes I wonder what would Earth look like without trees in it. Paper accounts 40% of the total landfill waste. Some examples to reduce paper waste include elimination of unnecessary printing and wasting unnecessary paper and increasing the use of double-sided copies. In addition to that, the proliferation of plastic has been extraordinary for the last few decades. We humans are so addicted to this indestructible material that we produce over 300 million tons of plastic every year, out of which 50% is single-use. It is used just for a few moments but stays in Earth for more than 100 years. We dump almost 80 million tons of plastic every year into the ocean. It takes 200 years for plastic to degrade itself. Therefore, out of the whole, only 12% plastic have been incinerated. We people can help to close the recycling loop by buying new products which contains recycled content in them, like newspaper, comic books, aluminium cans, etc. Apart from creating employment, preventing pollution, conserving natural resources, and supporting sustainable development, it reduces the cost of waste disposal and disposable charges, along with generating the revenue by selling recycled products. It also reduces the production of greenhouse gases, and most importantly, it reduces the emission of carbon dioxide as less waste is being burned. The resources are dwindling and we need to save it for our children and our children after that. For all that Mother Nature has done for us, killing her off is not the right way to say thank you. So always remember, reduce, reuse and recycle. Thank you.